Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Blender Unsupported Graphic Card Configurations. A graphic card, a driver with support on OpenGL 4.3 higher is required. So guys, how to fix this command? Okay, so first check the graphic card. Click to start and then type run. Open it. Then type this command. Okay, click to start it. You can see in the display, okay, your graphic card and all. Otherwise you can click to start and type device manager and extract display adapter. So you can see here the model number of your graphic card, okay, and then close. Then guys, install the latest driver. So I will give you first Intel, then NVIDIA, then AMD. So first Intel driver download. Okay, so first this is official website, click to download. Scroll down, so it will this software, so it's required driver, it will be detect the manually, okay, automatically update your device and software. Okay, when you click to start, and it will require and it will scan like this. Okay, and you can also install the latest this is driver support assistant. Okay, yeah, this is for the Intel. Next, for the NVIDIA driver, so same NVIDIA driver, also automatic options also there. So you can see get the automatic driver update. Okay, this is for gamer creator and professional workstations also, which is using select and install and very simple. Okay, then AMD driver. So this is AMD driver, click to download, click this first link which official website, and same thing here happening. This is the Windows for Windows 10 automatic driver. Okay, so it will auto detect the installer driver update AMD random series graphic Ryzen chipset. Okay, click to start it. After that it will complete it, then need to restart your system, and then please check after install any driver 100% require your system restart. Okay, and then check your issues and please comment me, I will check it.